Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2016 Ford Mustang 2.3 EcoBoost convertible. And what a beautiful car it is. So the car's finished in the silver metallic and is sitting on the factory optional extra of the 19-inch alloy wheels. Now this is an early Mustang, and the specification of it is that very similar to the 5 litres. So this has the custom pack, which I'll show you in the vehicle so you can compare what you're looking at and what you're not. So I would suggest maybe it started its life maybe as a Ford car or a very well specified car by Ford. So the 19-inch wheels are the multi-spoke and they're all in super condition. The cars, I say, the silver paint is one of my favourite colours in these. Looking down the passenger side, it is absolutely beautiful. Not really any marks on the paintwork whatsoever. Down the door edges, it's in exceptional order. But all round, everything about it is what you would expect. You can tell the previous keepers have been really careful owners of the car. Coming round the back, we've got the parking sensors, we get then the rear diffuser and the twin tailpipes. Lovely example. Coming round to the driver's side, looking down the side again, you'll see very, if no marks whatsoever. Wheels all in great condition. Now, externally, the options are the silver metallic paint, parking sensors on the front and in the rear, and the 19-inch wheels. Now when you come into the inside of the vehicle, again fully loaded, full black leather seats. They're partially electric as well on those. We get on the driver's door, we get power folding mirrors and your electric windows. The leather then is on the internal side of the door and has that contrast stitch also. You get the Mustang on the kick plates, but just take a look at that. Lovely inside. Very, if you date back to 66, have a look at some 66 Mustangs. The theme of the Mustang is all the way through. On the steering wheel there we have the Mustang itself. Mustangs don't have any badges on that would tell you they are made by Ford. There is no Ford insignia whatsoever on the car, because Mustang is a Mustang. Automatic lights, multifunction steering wheel, keyless, so I've got the key in my pocket. We just press this start button down here and this 2.3 engine jumps into life. Nice raspy exhaust system, but not too loud. 53,596 miles. This one has the full, as I say, sync system, so we get the larger screen, satellite navigation, reversing camera. Now the custom pack has the shaker stereo system. We then have heated and also cooling seats, so when I press the blue I get cold air blowing up through the seat, and when I press the heated obviously element it gets warm in winter. The satellite navigation on this system is 4 screens, so DAB radio and that goes larger. You can see then AM, FM, DAB, CD and USB. If you always go down to the home it'll go back, then Sat Nav, OK, and it's there, it jumps into life. Now Ford Sync system, it's voice activated as well, so we can do that and then connect a phone. Once you connect your phone, if you go through to your settings, you've then got obviously everything that's on your phone coming through to the car. Automatic transmission is a lovely option. Pretty much every option that you could get on a 2.3 is on this car. Custom pack, leather seats, 19-inch wheels, reverse camera, automatic box. I don't smoke and I can tell that the last person didn't smoke either, but everything about this vehicle is in gorgeous condition. With the sunshine out today here in Wigan like this, you would think you're in California, so we could go cruising the highways and the byways, living the dream. We've sold lots of these now. Absolutely great cars to own, great cars. Everybody smiles at you when you're driving a Ford Mustang. Kids wave at you at the bus stop. But yeah, what a lovely, lovely vehicle. So, if you would like that, it's just picked because I've got the key in my pocket, by the way. As I say, they are keyless entry and exit. So the keys are in my pocket, there's 2 of those. All the documentation is listed on our website, so if you want to know what the service documents are on there, have a look on our website. If you think this car is for you, then you can reserve it and collect it. So we'll take $250 off you over the phone. That is fully refundable, by the way. So they've got no qualms, or if it's not up to your standard, then we'll refund the deposit when you arrive here in Wigan. But if not, have a look on our socials. You'll see lots of customers on Facebook collecting cars from us. Check out our reviews on Auto Trader. They are verified reviews by customers who've collected cars in the last 7 days. You can check out over 500 of those if you want to see. For the term, the roof is in black. The pictures have got that up. But what a lovely, lovely car. In lovely, lovely condition to be driven in lovely weather like this. So I'm Graham, there's Dom, there's Lee. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price over the phone. If when you arrive in Wigan the car is as described by yourself, that's what we pay. You can reserve it, as I said. But as for now, thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.